Actually, this is not your syllabus. Due to corona, it will reduced. The reduced start from the atom and atomic mass, molecular mass from that point. But without knowing this knowledge, we cannot explain that topics. मुझे तुमको ये कथा जब न कहूँ तेरे तुम्हें से जिनस आग को किसी भी कौन बुझीपर ना कैलकुलेसन कर आमको या साथी नहीं कि जावाक ही पड़ो मेजरमेंट मेजरमेंट हेलो इट इज द फिजिक्स पार्ट कंप्लीट करबा गले कोन फिजिक्स पार्ट मेजरमेंट मीन टू मेजर समथिंग maybe its mass length and other things in very early stage they should start first what fps system system for measurement yes fps F is the foot which measure the length, P is the pound which measure the mass, and S is the second which measure the time. So these are three fundamental things mean mass. F for foot that measure to length, P for pound which measure mass, S for second which measure time. Okay, तो ये सिस्टम रे में मेजरमेंट करूतलो. After that there will comes which system MKS system. MKS mean meter which for length kilometer hello kilometer means kilometer k is for kilometer kilogram used to measure mass and s for second hello m for meter used to measure length, K for kilogram, measure mass and S for second, measure time. Okay. Then CGS system. CGS system means C for centimeter used for measure length, G for gram used to measure mass, S for second measure time. Okay. Nowadays the SI system then comes what SI system. Standard International System. SI system. In SI system, there are two types of unit. What is unit? Question come, what is unit? Standard of measurement. Standard of measurement are called
Unit.
what? Unit are called unit. Standard of measurement are called unit. Each measurement contains two parts. One is numerical part, another one is unit. Each measurement contains two parts. One is numerical part, each measurement contains two parts. One is what?
Numerical.
Each measurement contain two part. Contain two part. One numerical part, another one is unit. Suppose the length of blackboard is 20, we say length of blackboard is 20. We can't understand anything. हम बुझी परिवा की 20 mean what? That should it contain what? Unit. 20 cm या 20 meter या 20 kilometers. This part is called what? Numerical part. Numerical part. And this part is called what? Unit. Which used to what? Standard measurements. Clear? There are how many part of measurement? There are two types of units. Two types of unit. One is fundamental unit, derived unit. Okay. One is fundamental unit, another one is derived unit. One is fundamental unit. Fundamental unit. Okay, the unit which cannot derive from anything. There are the fundamental. There are how many numbers of fundamental unit? 7. There are 7 fundamental units. 7 fundamental units. One mass. Unit is
kilogram.
Gram. Represent kg. Second, length. Meter. M. Third one, time. Second, S. Fourth, temperature. Kelvin. K. Heat. Electric current. Electric current. Ampere. Sixth,
Amount of substance.
Amount of substance. Mole. Seventh, luminous intensity. Luminous intensity.
candela,
Candela. CD.
city,
CD.
city,
Mole Avogadro's number M node.
mol,
Ampere A. Okay. How many number of fundamental units? 7 fundamental units. By using fundamental unit, we can derive the unit of other measurement. That is called derived unit. Second one is what? Derived unit. Second one is derived unit. The unit which is derived by using the fundamental unit. The unit which derived by using fundamental unit. By using fundamental unit. Unit are called what? Are called derived unit. Clear? Can you say how many number of derived units?
2,
How many number of alphabet in English? 26. How many number of word? By using alphabet, you make a word. Word mean word which give a meaningful sense. That is called word. Then how many number of word? Infinite numbers. Number of element is 118, but number of compound infinite. Because हम ताको नहीं करूँ तो ना, like that number of unit is fundamental unit 7. ताको use करके हमें करीबा. How many number of derived unit? Infinite number of derived unit. सिर्फ किसी definite number नहीं. Suppose area. Area mean what? Can you say what do you mean by area? Area ର ଅର୍ଥ ବୁଝୁଛ? କଣ ସରସ୍ୱତୀ? Length into breadth. Sit down. Length into breadth. Okay. That is called what? Area means ସବୁବେଳେ କଣ length into breadth? ସବୁବେଳେ rectangle ନା କି? फिर base into height. जहाँ देले जीटा को length. जीटा को unit कौन? Length. Length रे unit what? Meter into meter square. Volume. Volume mean space occupied by the substance. Length into breadth into mean meter into meter. Right? Meter cube. Unit of density. Mass by volume. Mass by volume. Mean what? kg by meter cube or ता कौन लिखी परिबू? kg into meter to the power minus 3. Force. Velocity. Displacement by time. Displacement by time. Displacement mean what? Unit What is the unit of displacement?
Length.
Length, that is a type of length mean what? Meter by second. Hello.
Meter square.
Meter by second mean meter into second inverse. Acceleration. Acceleration. Can you say? Change of velocity by time. Change of v minus u by t. Change of velocity by time. Velocity mean what? Meter into second inverse again second. Meter into second double inverse or minus 2. Can you say what is the derived unit of force? Mass into acceleration. Force, mass into acceleration. Mean what? kg into meter into second double inverse here, or it is written as what? Newton. Clear है? बुझी like that work, power, etc. Clear? What is unit? The standard measurement are called what? Unit. How many type of unit in which system? SI system. There are two type of units. One is fundamental unit. Another one is derived unit. Ajay buchchu. Fundamental unit and a derived unit. Fundamental unit mean what?
Unit which cannot depend on another for to express it.
Very good. Means the fundamental. How many number of fundamental units? 7 fundamental units. What is derived unit? Okay. Now the prefix used to measure smaller and bigger unit. Okay, some prefix is used to measure smaller or bigger unit. Smaller or bigger unit. Prefix means what? Pre means before. Fix means connect. कहा गुटे connect करिबा तो कहा को connect करिबा थी standard unit. Suppose length रो what is the standard unit of length? Standard unit of length meter. Standard unit of length अछि कोन meter. तार बिफोर रे किछि जिंस में यूज करिबा धर गुटे सब जिंस को तो मीटर रे मेजर करिबा पॉसिबल न हो एटा गुटे तार स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट दरकार आहुरी छोट अछि कि गोटे बड़ लेंथ रे अछि बहुत बड़ लेंथ अछि कथा बुझी होछि सो द फॉर स्मॉलर यूनिट स्मॉलर पार्ट पाई जानछ कि जानना डेसी mean 10 to the power minus 1 mean 1 by 10 out of 10 part if you take one part of the meter then we call decimeter Okay, means it is the smallest part then the standard unit mean meter to यार part टा smallest हे गला ए जदि हमें डेसी वाट टा कनेक्ट कर दो प्रीफिक्स लगाउचे मतलब बुझी होची डेसी then
सेंटी
सेंटी 10 to the power -2
मिली
milli good
10 to the minus 3
milli 10 to the power
-3
-3 micro
10 to the power -6
10 to the power -6 micro
Nano.
then nano
10 to the power -9
10 to the power -9
पिको
pico
10 to the power -12 12
10 to the power
12
-12 then auto femto
फेमटो 10 to the power
femto
-15
10 to the power
-15
-15
आटो
then auto jepto ecto like that for bigger unit bigger part by what बोलो जो bigger part by कौन रे bigger part रे बेका
हेक्टा
हेक्टो बेका mean 10 to the power
1
1 hecto mean 10 to the power 2 kilo
10 to the 3
10 to the power
3
3 mega
10 to the power 6
10 to the power 6
giga giga
giga
10 to the 9
10 to the power 9 tera
tera 10 to the power
10
12
to the power 12 peta
10 to the power
10 to the power 15 then hexa then hepta then zepta okay clear means suppose हमें ये prefix यूज करिबा then हमें तार bigger part को जिबा जब एक सो prefix यूज करछे तार smaller part को जिबा clear तो now you convert 1 picometer समान dash kilometer suppose question ask 1 picometer समान dash kilometer can you say
1 by 1000
1 by 1000 mean 10 to the power -3 सब बेले रिमाइंड करिवो कि हमें केउटू केउटू जाउचे इटा उडे स्मॉलर यूनिट इटा उडे बिगर यूनिट ओके स्मॉलर टू बिगर जीवा मींस पॉजिटिव ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव तो फर्स्ट वी स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट व्हाट मीटर फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट पिकोमीटर टू
meter
it is smaller to bigger mean negative bigger to smaller mean positive hello anyone ask के पचारछे कि किछि हेलो 1 picometer standard unit is what meter first 1 picometer how many meter then 1 meter how many kilometer 1 picometer how many meters pico mean 10 to the power -12 1 meter how many kilometer
10 to the minus 3
10 to the power minus
3
3 1 kilometer equal to 10 to the power 3 meter but meter को kilometer को ले 10 to the power
-3
then equal to what 10 to the power -12 10 to the power -3 then 10 to the power
-15
minus 15 kilometer clear suppose 1 nanometer equal to dash millimeter can you convert
10 to the minus 12
1 nanometer dash
meter
millimeter dash millimeter
10 to the power minus 12.
First you go to standard meter, 1 nanometer to meter, meter to millimeters. 1 nanometer how many meters?
10 to
10 to
the
the
power
power
minus 9.
minus 9.
10 to the power minus 3.
1 milli how many meter, how many millimeter?
10 to the power minus 3.
ये मीटर अच्छी, ये मिलीमीटर अच्छी। तो मैं क्यों टू ऐसे लो बिगर टू स्मॉलर या स्मॉलर टू बिगर? अभी तेरे बिगर यूनिट के मीटर टा बड़ो ना मिलीमीटर टा बड़ो?
मीटर।
तो बड़ो को जो तेरे छोटा कर भी अगर माइनस कर दो माइनस पावर ले लो आउरी छोटा ही जीवो। 10 to the power
3.
3. 10 to the power minus 9. 10 to the power 3.
10 to the minus 6.
10 to the power
Minus 6.
6. Yeah, minus 6. Minus 6. Then 1 nanometer equal to how many millimeters?
10 to the minus 6.
10 to the power
Minus 6.
clear? 1 decameter. 1 decameter equal to dash picometer.
10 to the 16.
1 decameter someone dash picometer. Decameter to meter, meter to picometer. 10 to the power 30. 10 to the power minus 30. हाँ को कैसे कोच? 10 to the power 30. 1 decameter to meter. This one is the smaller part. This one is the bigger part. So decameter to meter. 10 to the power minus 1. Smaller to bigger. Then 1 meter how many picometer? Sorry. Decameter बड़ो तो 10 to the power 1. Here is meter to picometer. 10 to the power 12. Then equal to 10 to the power 13. Good. 10 to the power 13. Now clear?
Yes.
Again. 5 picometer समान dash centimeter. 5 picometer समान dash centimeter.
Centimeter.
Goes to meter then centimeter.
Minus 14.
Hello.
10 to the minus 12. Minus 12 centimeter to centimeter.
Picometer to meter. 5 into 10 to the power minus 12. Then meter to centimeter. Bigger. This one is the smaller. So positive. What? 10 to the power 2. Then 5 into कितना होगा? 10 to the power
Minus 10.
10. Clear? अब बुझियो नहीं. बुझिएगा तो? There is some common unit used for the measurement. किसी common unit था measurement करियो पे. Suppose temperature कथा कहबा. What is the standard unit of temperature? Kelvin. But except Kelvin, we also use other unit to measure the temperature. That is Celsius, your Fahrenheit, your Reaumur. Some other common unit. Other common unit used in measurement. Suppose temperature কথা কইবা SI unit কোন SI unit is Kelvin. But other unit Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius and Fahrenheit. Then question arises how we can convert to what? Celsius to Kelvin या Kelvin to Celsius. Convert Kelvin to Celsius. Kelvin to Celsius. How can convert? With by subtracting 273. Okay, suppose 300 degree, sorry, 300 Kelvin. One part remember गोटे मन रखिबो कि Kelvin रे डिग्री साइन आर नॉट यूज्ड. एतबे केतेबे भी डिग्री साइन दबो नाही. 300 Kelvin equal to dash degree Celsius. कौन कर परिया 300 minus 273.13 करि परो, but we always used 273 and equal to what? 27 degree Celsius. Suppose 298 Kelvin equal to dash degree Celsius. 298 Kelvin equal to 2 degree ना 298 minus 273 298 minus 273 equal to what? 25 degree Celsius. हेलो समस्त लाइन लो अच्छा तो ना सुई गलणी 298 Kelvin equal to 25 degree Celsius. If we convert Celsius to Kelvin by adding what? यदि हमें को सेल्सियस रु केल्विन को कन्वर्ट करबार अछि सेल्सियस रु कोना केल्विन करबार अछि कन्वर्ट Celsius to Kelvin. Then what? Minus by minus it minus तो डिफरेंट करिबो प्लस करिबो सपोज 13 डिग्री सेल्सियस इक्वल टू डेश केल्विन 273 प्लस 13 what is 286 Kelvin. Suppose 30 degree Celsius equal to dash Kelvin 303 Kelvin. Then convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. बुझिस तो जा कोला बुझियला Celsius to Kelvin. Celsius to Kelvin. Sorry. Now we convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay. Celsius to Fahrenheit mean what? That is the formula C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. C by 5 equal to what? F minus 32. Suppose our body temperature, do you know? Our body general temperature के common temperature 37 degree Celsius. 34 no 37 and 37 degree Celsius equal to dash Fahrenheit. Can you convert? हमें convert करी परिवा की देखो try करो 37 degree Celsius equal to dash Fahrenheit. And 8 point something. Mean here given that 37 degrees Celsius. Mean 37 by 5 equal to
98 degree.
F mean that is unknown part x minus 32 by 9. Then if you go to cross, very good. 5x minus 5 into 2 10 160 equal to 37 into 9. Then 5x equal to 9 7 is 63, 3 carrying 6, 9 3 is 26,
333.
9 7 is
330.
63 carrying 6, 9 3 is 27, 60, 33 plus 1 60. Then x equal to 3 6 3 9 4 9 3 by 5 5 9 is 45. Then 4 3 5 8 is 40. Then 3 0 5 6 is 30. 98.6 Fahrenheit. Clear? ना बुझे लगे बाबा? Clear तो? Suppose you are suffering in fever and your body temperature is 102 Fahrenheit. सुनिते बोले ताको 102 ज्वर होईची. सुनिचा? Then can you convert 102 Fahrenheit to Celsius? Suppose now we convert 102 Fahrenheit to equal to dash 102 degree Fahrenheit equal to dash degree Celsius. सेम सूत्र फार्मूला सेम एटी सी रे वैल्यू पुट करतलो सेटी एफ रे वैल्यू पुट करिवो Mm-hmm.
38 point.
Suppose formula is xy means Celsius is unknown part, x by 5 equal to value of f what? 102 minus 32 divided by 9. Then x by 5, then implies x by 5 equal to 102 minus 32, 0,
70.
70 by
9.
9. Then 9x equal to 17 to 5,
350.
mean 350. X equal to 350
by 9.
by 9. 9 3 ja 27. Then it is 35. 35 minus 27, 8. 80.
80.
Then 9 8 ja 72. Then remaining 8 after decimal like 38.88. Okay. This is the temperature. Similarly, if we go to the length, যদি আমি লেংথ কথা যাব যদি লেংথ को যাব if you go to कोण ଯଦି ଲେंथ को ଯାଉଛୁ लेंथ को ले कोण आउरी अदर यूनिट स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट कोण एसआई यूनिट मीटर अदर यूनिट आर्मस्ट्रांग ओके 1 आर्मस्ट्रांग इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी मीटर जानते कि 1 आर्मस्ट्रांग इक्वल टू 10 to the power minus 10 मीटर दिस आर द कॉमन यूनिट ओके আমি তো স্ট্যান্ডার্ড यूनिट यूज করতে তার সাথে কিছু কমন यूनिट থাকে ওটা লেন্থ কো মাপিয়া পাই তুমি 1 ইঞ্চ ইউজ করতেবো इंच फीट तुम हाइट से बड़ा फीट इंच रे कहतबो 1 इंच इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी मीटर कोइ परिबे या सेंटीमीटर 2.54 सेंटीमीटर ओके लाइक दैट मास तुम्हें कहते हैं ऐसा यूनिट कौन अछि और ये भी माइल रे भी यूज करा जाए 1 mile equal to 1.76 किलोमीटर सुनिथिबा बोधे 3 माइल दूर घर काम घर 2 माइल दूर यदि जेजापा जेजमा थिबे कोनदिनी ऐसा यूनिट मास केजी किलोग्राम and we also use pound okay 1 will be equal to 456 gram माने गुटे पाउंड रो ओजन होछु 456 ग्राम माने पाखा पाखी हाफ केजी ओके या तो अदर और कॉमन यूनिट यूज फॉर यूज्ड इन कोन मेजरमेंट एवडा होछु सब कोन कॉमन यूनिट जेटा कि मेजरमेंट पई यूज करा होछि क्लियर फंडामेंटल यूनिट डिराइव्ड यूनिट ओके फंडामेंटल यूनिट डिराइव्ड यूनिट
bigger smaller
और बिगर स्मॉलर प्रीफिक्स और सम कॉमन यूनिट ओके नेक्स्ट डे को साइंटिफिक नोटेशन सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर हला हाउ वी विल काउंट माने हमें केमिति कैलकुलेशन करबा साइंटिफिक नोटेशन जानछो जानना सपोज उडे बिगर और वेरी बिगर नंबर या वेरी स्मॉलर नंबर 0.1.3 into 10 to the power minus 13 this is the scientific notation of the number okay n value of k 1 less than equal to k less than equal to less than 10. ओके k ର भ्यालु सबले केते भितर रहइबो 1 रो 10 भितर रहइबो 10 रो पारेबो नाही सब नंबर को हमें केमथि कन्वर्ट करबा नेक्स्ट क्लास पढिबो ओके आज का पढा भितर आ कहार कोन डाउट आसला बोलो